Welcome to the podcast, Scott. Today we're diving into the world of alternative assets. I have to say I'm intrigued by the idea of investing in fine wine and rare spirits. Can you tell us what exactly are alternative assets and why they're gaining?
Well, alternative assets are essentially investments that fall outside the traditional categories of stocks, bonds, and treasuries. Think private equity, private credit, venture capital.
That's really interesting. Who wouldn't want to invest in something they can enjoy? What makes fine wine and rare spirits an attractive investment opportunity?
For one, they offer a tangible conversation-starting alternative investment with a compelling historical performance, plus the naturally improving quality of wine over time and the enjoyment of rare spirits on special occasions.
I can see the appeal. How has the industry evolved in recent years? And
what role has technology played in making alternative investments more accessible?
Technology has been a game changer. With the emergence of digitized platforms, retail investors can now access potential opportunities more easily. It's also enabled better information sharing, increased transparency.
And that's great to hear. What advice would you give to investors looking to get started with fine wine and rare spirits? Where do they even begin?
Research, understand the risks, perform due diligence, and consider your goals and risk tolerance before making any investment decisions. It's not for everyone, but for those who are interested, it can be really rewarding.
Excellent advice, Scott. Now, I know Alto plays a role in facilitating alternative investments. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Sure. Alto brings together all the parties needed for fine wine and rare spirits investment transactions, providing standardized forms and processes. We aim to make alternative investments more accessible and efficient for investors.
That sounds like a great resource.
Before we go, can you summarize the key takeaways for our listeners?
Fine wine and rare spirits offer a unique investment opportunity with a compelling historical performance. Technology has made alternative investments more accessible, but is essential to do your research and due diligence.
Thanks, Scott, for sharing your insights with us today. I hope our listeners have enjoyed this conversation and will consider exploring alternative assets in their investment portfolios.